Hello everybody. In this video series, I'm going to be teaching you how to code with Python. The first step is downloading Python. To do that, go to python.org, hover over Downloads, and if you have a Windows computer, if you go to Windows, you can click on Python 3.96. If you have a Mac, you can go hover over Mac and still download the 3.96. I have a Windows, so I'm going to download this version. Once Python is finished downloading, you want to go ahead and click it. After that, you have to accept a couple documents. Then you should be set. In our next video, you will learn to create your first line of code in Python. In this series, you will learn how to create codes like this, where the user inputs stuff, and we use that to create cool drawings using the turtle pen in Python. If you want to learn about various STEM topics, like 3D design, or chess, or anything else, go to STEMShareKids.com to learn more. We teach live lessons online and in person. If you are interested in teaching an event, feel free to reach out to us at STEMShareKids@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when we post new videos.